No matter the window, Bali has a custom DIY option for you. Getting started is easy and fun. The first step, selecting your window treatment. First, choose between shades or blinds. Blinds are usually firm and contain slats of vinyl, aluminum, wood, or composite that lay vertically or horizontally. These slats are easy to operate and offer precise light control. Shades are normally soft and made of fabric, soft vinyl cotton, woven bamboo, or grass. They offer light control and variety, depending on your desired look and function. There are many types of shades to consider. Cellular shades feature crisp rows of honeycomb-shaped cells that are both chic and great for conserving energy and dampening sound. They're a sophisticated way to add soft dimension to any room. Roller shades are classically clean and modern and are very versatile, with a wide selection of fabrics for every decor, style, and light control need. Solar shades are similar to roller shades in function and style. However, they continue to let in light and maintain your view, all while protecting your room from glare and sun damage. Roman shades offer crisp lines and soft folds. They're available in a variety of styles, depending on your decor. From classic, for a simple, streamlined look, to tailored, for a sophisticated look with hand-sewn design, or natural, for modern texture and an earthy style. Sheer shades are clean, sleek, and modern, offering the functionality, light control, and privacy of blinds with the softness of a shade. Layered shades offer a modern take on light control and privacy with a bold, clean look. Open the bands to let in soft filtered light or close them for superior light blocking. Drapery can also be great as a standalone solution, or to layer over blinds and shades for additional light control and bold, inspired style. Now that you've got an idea of all the kinds of window treatments to choose from, there are other options you should also consider. Cordless lift offers a clean look and a safe for pets and children cord-free option, while motorized lift lets you use a remote or even your phone or home automation device to lift or close your shades. Consider the amount of natural light you want to let into the room. There are options that allow you to control how much sunlight you let in. These are referred to as light filtering, room darkening, blackout, or a combination. Depending on the shade, there may also be additional light control options, such as privacy liners. Certain shades, such as Roman shades, also come in a variety of styles and decorative options. Once you know what style you're interested in, you can order free swatches to see them up close and try them on at home. To order free swatches and see all our product options and details, visit our website today.